Baba, 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 Baba. Shebi you want banger to banger, Baba. Oh, go then Baba, Baba. You can never top on spinal, Baba. Never top on bad, Baba. I hate you more, go say, Baba. I'm a Timo, go de jalaye, Baba. Oh yeah, wait for the moolah, Baba. I say wait for the Baba, Baba. Oh yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I installed this cute hairstyle, which is the real dreadlocks. Like, this is dreadlocks. Like, this hair is so cute. Okay, so the company I work with today is SILIKE in Amazon and in AliExpress. They sent to me 10 packs of this gorgeous hair, but I only used almost 8 packs because this hair is really full. But the good thing about this hair, it doesn't have any weight at all. Like, I love this hair. It took me about 1 hour to install this hair because I did small cornrows, which is a big mistake. If you're trying to do this hairstyle with this hair, you need to do bigger cornrows. Okay, the contact lenses I'm wearing today is from COLORCL.com, and the color I'm wearing today is from the Harry's Blossom collection, and this color is melon. Really cute. I'm really loving this color. Anyway, I almost love all the contact lenses I'm wearing. So my discount code is GGLOW10 to get 10% off from each order you have. Don't forget GGLOW10. okay, if you want to know how I install this cute hairstyle, just keep watching. If you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like. You want to come? Yeah, come. Oh, mi niño. Ay, mi niño quiere salir en el video. Venga. Ay, mi cucho, que acabamos. We just finished celebrating his birthday. Hey, why? Don't be shy, huh? Don't be shy. He knows how to do it. Like, this boy is so cute. If you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button right there, and share. And we'll see you in my next video. What else? What do we do? Say bye. Say bye bye. Bye. Eva, my boy just clocked 2 years. And I'm so excited. We just came back from his birthday. 2 years. Oh, like this? Yeah, like this better. My baby's 2 years. How old are you?
2.
How old are you?
2.
Good boy. Kiss mommy. Mwah. I love you. Laba, laba, laba. Laba, 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 laba. Go baby.